Lele! Dito na po kami sa school. Hahatid ko na po si Lele. Lele, oh. We're just waiting for the time. Kasi it's too early pa po. Lele, say good morning sa vlog.
Good morning.
Tingin ka dito sa camera.
Good morning. I have a face mask.
You will wear face mask today?
Yeah.
Why?
Because may wala yung sipon mo here.
Wala sipon.
Nasa namin ka nag-bearing ka, no?
Opo. Lele! Bye-bye! Oh, what will you say kay mommy, ah? Lele, what will you say kay mama? Say bye-bye, ah.
Morning, Lele!
Nahulog na. Ayun, sa food. Ay, say bye-bye. Did you greet Cyril? Did you greet Cyril, Lala? Lala, what's that? It's a cell phone. Oh, come on, Papa is there na. Oh, no.
What? Yeah, you should go in the refrigerator. You can join.
House of
House of
Success. The favorite
The
of
favorite of the baby toy.
Lele is reading her first book. Reading without words. I can play.
Yummy.